Programming and Software Development. Courses for coders. If you want to dive into programming and software development, this is the category you're looking for. This category covers essentials of many popular programming languages, from C programming to more advanced programming languages like Java, C#, Ruby, Perl, etc. Maybe you haven't heard the name of all these courses, but that's alright. You don't have to know everything. You should take the course in the language of your choice. They all have their pros and cons. For example, today C programming is not used for building application software as much as other programming languages like Java. But C programming is still considered the best programming language of all time. Here is the list of courses that you will learn in this category: C programming, C++, data structures in C, C#, ADO.NET, VB.NET, Java, Visual Basic 6, ActionScript, Python, Perl, CGI and Ruby. Programming languages mentioned here are used to build all kinds of software, application software as well as system software. The low-level languages like C programming are used to build operating systems and process-intensive applications like animation and gaming engines. There are some mid-level languages like C++ and Java. They are being used in both systems and applications. Then there are some high-level programming languages like VB.NET or Ruby. They are preferred programming languages for developing application software because it allows the programmer with much richer interface. This allows developer to care more about the specific application functionalities rather than worrying about some low-level operations like memory management and I/O event management. And as a result, the software development becomes easy and efficient in terms of time and cost. Some of the programming languages are also used in web development like Python, Ruby, VB.NET, etc. But we think even if you want to do web development using these languages, you still need to learn the basics of programming with the languages. So we teach you all the basics before jumping into creating HTML with it. And that is why we have included these languages in this category. Once you have learned some of these programming languages, you should practice it. That is the only way to be good at any programming language. Practice the lessons we have taught here and see the improvement yourself. If you are doing these courses, you have already decided to become a programmer, and we think that's an excellent choice. It's fun to code. We are so much excited to teach you these courses and see what you can do with these courses and how you can improve your work. See you at the course page.